Hi, let's walk through the new updates to Tikkit. We'll show you the customer self-service portal, text message notifications, attaching photos, running reports, and some other pretty cool things that are really easy to use. Let's jump right in. If one of your building occupant users wants to create a new request, they have a few options: sending an email to your account's dedicated inbox, or using their customizable occupant self-service portal on a desktop or smartphone. Since Tikkit is secured through each user's email inbox, clicking a magic green button in any Tikkit notification or welcome email brings that user straight into the tool, skipping those annoying-to-create usernames and hard-to-remember passwords. Your building occupant will enter a short description, select the type of request, and, optionally, a few more details. You can choose whether or not you want occupants to select a priority or a due date. Attaching a photo from the phone's gallery is just a few taps, or the user can take a new picture right then. Now, staff users with access to the location where this new request was just created will, depending on their notification preferences, receive a new request email or text message alert. You can respond directly to the notification email, which will be captured on the work order and forwarded to the occupant user who created it. From the command center, you as a staff user can do tons of things, like changing labels, assigning to a maintenance technician on your team, or sending it out to a third-party vendor. Here, your maintenance technician receives a text message alert, taps the link to jump right into the mobile-optimized command center, responds to you in a message channel hidden from occupants, adds a time record or a cost record, and closes the request. The occupant creator and any other followers of this request receive a notification that the work order has been closed. Back in the command center, you can run tons of reports and create custom views which dynamically filter all of your work requests across a bunch of dimensions. Filter all your requests for those due this month or for those linked to a particular area or piece of equipment. These are just some of Tikkit's great new features. Thanks for watching.